Today I'm taking a look at the Acer 4-in-1 USB AC Ethernet adapter. So I like the nice thin design of this guy. It has 3 USB-A ports on the side and an Ethernet adapter on the back. Nice soft cable. On the end we have a USB-A plug with a tethered adapter for a USB-C port. So you can use this no matter what type of computer port you have. So if I plug in a thumb drive, it does pick that up right away. And if I copy, it looks like 15.7 gigabytes worth of pictures and video. We are getting right around 360 megabytes per second. So that is about what I expect out of a USB drive. And if we run a speed test. Okay, so for the best case scenario, sequential 1 megabyte, 8 process, 1 thread, we're looking at about 450 megabytes per second for the read as well as the write. For the worst case scenario, random 4K at 1 process, 1 thread, we're looking at about 24 and 77 on the write. So it's almost 3 times faster on the write than on the read. So those are very good numbers. So the last thing is, how does the Ethernet work? There we go. So we got our lights. And if we look at the bottom, we can see that the Ethernet cable is plugged in. So if we're ever in a spot where we cannot get Wi-Fi, but we can still get Ethernet, we will still be able to get internet with this adapter. So overall, that is a very nice little hub.